Thank you for coming today. We're going to do count some rabbits, 2 sets. One for a girl, one for a boy, and they little rabbits. And they're going to be like this. When you open up the egg, this is a little boy because he has a bow tie at the bottom. And they have different prizes that the kid win from off of the rabbit. You can create this file on your own. It's easy to make, but I didn't feel like doing all that. So I bought the file from off of Etsy, and it came with both sets, the girl and the boy. So this is what the outcome would be, and I sized it down. I sized it down to fit the Easter egg. So it fits in there perfect, and then the kid will find the egg, or they get to pick out of a bucket every day, or whatever the case may be. I don't know, whatever she chooses to do with these. So I masked the board already, and I'm gonna put it inside the Glowforge. I have my rabbits already set up on the board. So after this, you're gonna see a process of the rabbits getting cut out, scoring and everything. So you'll see that in a minute. And then this is the finished product right here. Thank you for watching. I'm going to lift it up. You see how they fall out? So I'm going to bring out one for you. So it went through the process of scoring and cutting out. So here's the finished product. So all I got to do is peel off the masking tape like this, and then the rabbits are done. When they get done, this is, I got to do the front and I got the back. And I mask both sides so the char won't be on it. And then when they get done, they'll fit in the egg like this. And they're fully closed. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below and I'll answer them when I see them. Thank you.